In 1898, Morgan Robertson wrote a novella called. This story featured a grand ocean liner named the Titan, believed to be unsinkable. Shockingly, 14 years later, the Titanic disaster unfolded in the real world. The similarities between the fictional Titan and the real Titanic are uncanny. Both ships were described as marvels of engineering, boasting luxurious amenities and cutting-edge technology. Both met a tragic end after colliding with icebergs in the North Atlantic. Could this be mere coincidence? Or did Robertson possess a unique insight into the potential dangers of maritime travel at the turn of the century? The parallels between the Titan and the Titanic extend beyond their shared fate. Both ships were remarkably similar in size and design. The Titan measured 800 feet in length, while the Titanic was slightly larger at 882.5 feet. Both were equipped with the latest technology, but both had a crucial flaw: an insufficient number of lifeboats for all passengers and crew. This oversight proved fatal in both the fictional and real-life disasters. The eerie coincidences don't end there. Both ships sank in April, adding another layer of mystery to the narrative. The similarities in their design, the time of year they sank, and the cause of their sinking make one wonder if Robertson had a glimpse into the future. While the similarities between the Titan and Titanic are striking, attributing them solely to premonition might be a stretch. Morgan Robertson was no stranger to the world of ships and sailing. He possessed extensive knowledge of shipbuilding and maritime trends. During the late 19th century, shipbuilding technology was rapidly advancing, and the idea of an unsinkable ship was gaining traction. Robertson, with his keen understanding of these developments, might have foreseen the potential risks associated with such massive vessels, including inadequate safety measures. Perhaps was not a prophecy, but a cautionary tale, highlighting the hubris of believing in technological invincibility. The story of the Titan and the Titanic sparks a timeless debate. Can fiction foreshadow reality? While it's tempting to view Robertson as a modern-day Nostradamus, it's more likely that his insights stemmed from a deep understanding of maritime trends and the potential pitfalls of pushing technological boundaries. The similarities between the two ships are remarkable, but it's essential to acknowledge their differences. The Titan capsized after hitting the iceberg, while the Titanic broke apart. These variations suggest that Robertson, while remarkably prescient, didn't have a crystal ball. Whether coincidence or informed speculation serves as a reminder that fiction, at its best, can hold a mirror to reality, reflecting our hopes, anxieties, and the potential consequences of our actions.